Hey everyone, sac passe, it's incoming your Northport and Southwest Florida realtor. Every February, buyers ask me the same question. Can I use my tax refund as down payment? The answer is yes. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it step by step. A lot of buyers don't realize the tax refund can be the start of the down payment and closing costs. Even a modest refund can help cover appraisal fees, pay inspections, cover earnest money deposit, boost your savings to qualify for programs. Most first-time buyers overestimate how much they need. Some programs require as little as 3% down, some require zero, and your tax refund might get you halfway there. Here's what things get exciting. You can pair your refund with FHA loans, conventional loans, USDA loans, and VA loans. You can also combine your refund with down payment assistance program. Florida has several DPA programs based on income, occupation, and county. These programs offer forgivable loan, closing cost assistance, and much more. Your tax refund becomes a bridge that gets you qualified. If you are serious about buying in 2026, here's your step-by-step plan. Use part of your refund for savings. 2. Set aside money for inspection. Get pre-approved. Meet with me to review the neighborhoods and pricing. Build your buying timeline. Using your refund early gives you an advantage before the spring market rush. If you want to find out exactly how much home you can afford using your refund, reach out. I help first-time buyers every week and I'd love to walk you through the process. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want more for that buying tips every week. Bye. See you next week.